Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problems with this out-of-band update. The problems include error code 0x800f0922, 0x800f0991 and other. The first method is try to install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. Here are two files, one for x64 based systems and the other for ARM64 based systems. Check your system type first. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on About, 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. This system type. This file is compatible with my system. Check yours and click on the respective download button. Click on both the links to download the files. Once downloaded, click on the File Explorer icon. Go to Downloads. Right click on this update file, KB5063060 and select Open. Then follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. Once completed, try to install this update. If this update is not installed, then there is no need to worry, as it might be installed earlier. If the issue still persists, then run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters over here. For Windows Update, click on Run. Click on I can download, install or uninstall an update. Can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? Click on Yes. The update will be automatically downloaded. Check if the update is downloaded properly and restart your computer to complete the installation. If you find any Windows Update error, then click on No here. The tool will check Windows Update error, so click on Continue. If the issue is solved, then it is okay. Otherwise, you can contact support from here. The next method is reset Windows Update components. Go to the video description and click on this link. A file will be downloaded in your default browser. After the file is downloaded, click on this folder icon. Click on Extract All. Select Extract. Right click on this file. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Press a key on your keyboard to continue. Do you want to continue this operation? Type Y for Yes and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. Again press any key on your keyboard and restart your computer. Then check for updates. The next method is reinstall the Windows update. Windows 11 has a new tool to reinstall a Windows update by fixing any error codes or issues. So use this tool to fix the error. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System. Here click on Recovery. For fixed problems using Windows Update, click on Reinstall now. Check this box and click on OK. This will reinstall the Windows Update and repair the error if found. If the problem is still occurring, then run SFC and DISM tools. Click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Go to the video description and run these commands and this command. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the scanhealth command, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Then copy restorehealth command, paste into the command prompt. Then run system files checker command, copy the command, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Once completed, close all the tasks and restart your computer. Then check for updates. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.